touching her butt. How about you tell your daddy you miss him? Say, I miss you, Daddy. I miss you too. How about you? How about you gonna tell your dad? She cannot see. Don't go. How about you, Chelsea? How about you see? Okay, that's good. Chelsea's turn. How about you? Say, love you, Daddy.
I go to you, Daddy, because you're my best friend, Daddy.
What else are you gonna tell your dad?
I love you, Daddy. You go to my heart.
How about you? What are you gonna tell your dad? Where's your heart? Where's your heart, Chelsea? That's right.
How about me?
What are you gonna tell your daddy, Chelsea? I love you, Daddy.
Mom, can you open this? Open your soda.
Bye, Daddy.
Mommy, can you open this soda?
Bye, Charlotte.
Bye.